Hello guys, welcome to another episode on the Gold Rush channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your balance or how you can get more than $1,000,000 on your Trust Wallet balance. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel so that you can get lists of airdrops, guys. Look at airdrops, lots of airdrops. In case you intend to get a certain airdrop, what you just have to do is come here and you click search, then the name of the airdrop. Let's say you want to get the W Dodge, you just type W Dodge and we hit search. And oh, are you serious? And for some reason it's showing the W Dodge under my W Shiba. I think I made a mistake and the W Dodge is not here. But for the W Shiba, in case you want to search for W Shiba, that's actually the contact address and the airdrop link. Let's assume we want to search for ETH Finance. Now you just have to type everything actually if you care. And here it is, ETH Finance. So all you have to do is just come to the Telegram channel and search for the coin you're actually looking for. Now this is actually what I'm talking about. This is it here, 600. Actually it was 1,000,000, but let's look at it. This is BNB, like as you can see, received, a lot received. That's 1,071 BNB. That's $285,333. This is Yearn Finance. I'm not sure a lot of people know about it, but this is USDT 10,220. As you can see, the notifications just keep coming in. Received just today. You go back. Hell, are you serious? You go back. Let's look at another coin. This is Cardano, 2,753,000. So it keeps going up and reducing, increasing and reducing every time. People keep sending. People just keep sending, and the price keeps going up. People we keep receiving stuff like that. So there's another coin, Honest. Actually, as the list goes down, the price reduces. But as you can see, these are actually the main coins that you know about. BCH $2,200, BNB 285,000, Bitcoin 162,000. So as you can see, it's increasing as I'm going. So that's basically the balance. This is Ethereum, 10,229. So basically guys, 5 Ethereum, you're actually getting this on your Trust Wallet. Now I got a lot of people coming to my DM and they be like, CJ, this actually is 730,000. Would you mind buying it from me at $100,000, or would you mind buying it from me at $200,000? And I'm like, why? So I kind of dug deep, went for some research, and I found out something. Now, once they approach you with this kind of offer, I need you to actually watch. This is BNB, and this is the send button. I hit it, and boom, this is what they show me. This is watch only wallet. Make sure that you have access to this wallet before doing any transactions on it. So basically, I cannot withdraw this money. Take a look, send. I took my time to check almost every single coin here, and man, these people have no mercy. Not even one coin. so I can't send. Looks like this one wants to work. Send. Please work. I have a Rune wallet address. Work. It looks like it's not just answering me anymore. It's tired of my life. So this is Binance USD again, and I hit the send, and this is a watch only wallet. Now let's be sure and look at that. Look at that coin, guys. I lost the coin. It looks like it wanted to work for me. You guys can go check the coin. That coin looks promising. It looks like it might give me the free money I'm looking for. But basically that's how you can actually do it. $900. Now if you want to get the coin, I'll actually show you how to do it. This is all you do. So basically some parts of this video you won't be able to see, and I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to help with that, but all you have to do is hit this plus sign. I already have a wallet. Now you guys are seeing this place. I'm just gonna speak through to the end. After this part, I'm not sure you're gonna see anything. I'm not even sure you're gonna see this one. I think you're gonna see. But BNB yellow and white. I'm gonna describe everything detail. BNB yellow white. I type on it, pop. It's gonna give you a place where it says import BNB phrase private key address. As you can see, I'm 100% sure you're gonna see it. Phrase private key address. All you have to do is hit address, and the BNB address will be posted in the Telegram link in the Telegram channel. I'm trying to rush this part because I think you guys are just seeing black here for fun. So you just click paste. Once you hit paste and you hit import, it's gonna show you this account. You can actually name it whatever you like. So if you click paste and you click import, it's gonna show you this thing. So once it shows you this, it just keeps increasing, keeps going up. It came down. So pause. It's back up. So it keeps increasing, and you have all those coins to yourself. Don't blame me. It's watch only address or wallet. So basically that's everything. You've gotten $1 million on your Trust wallet for free with all the coins: Binance USD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Rune Maker, USDT, everything complete. So with that said, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want more amazing stuff like this, and drop a like. Please drop a like, guys. Drop a like if you want me to actually look for a way to withdraw this. So if we get a lot of likes, more than the normal or the average number of likes I get, I'll look for a way to actually withdraw this stuff from our watch only address. So guys, with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.